Hi, my friends. So today I made green plantain fufu with the skin on. Somebody asked me this question: is it healthy to blend together with the back of the plantain peel? And this question is from the video I had made before, using green plantain together with a peel to make fufu. And the person was wondering why I did that. So I thought I should use a video to respond to this question, and perhaps any other person that has the same kind of question will learn from it. Yes, it is very, very beneficial. It is healthy to eat your plantain together with the peel. In fact, plantain peel, like plantain skin, especially the green plantain skin, has a lot of health benefits when eating, and it also has other cosmetic benefits. So I'm going to leave that part. I'm going to focus on the part of, eating the green plantain together with the peel. Now, green plantain peel, has a lot of benefits. It has anti-ulcer benefit. It also has analgesic benefit. That is, is a painkiller on its own. It also has this property of wound healing. Like when eating, it has all those, like it can help to heal wound, very well. It also promotes hair growth when eating. It also has hemostatic activity and so many other benefits. Now, I'm going to tell you what one of the benefits that I experience eating green plantain fufu together with the skin. The following morning, like I ate it as a dinner, the following morning, the bowel movement was very smooth. When I say it was very smooth, it was satisfying and it was effortless. It gives you, healthy gut. So on the video, you can see me. I just cut the green plantain into small chunks. I put into my blender. I put some water. Now, let me tell you something. After making the green plantain fufu, while it is still very hot, it will be very, very soft. So put this in mind. But once it gets cold, it can go harder. So if you have this understanding, then you will know how much water you're going to put when you're blending. Now, I like my fufu, to kind of have some kind of texture. I don't like it very, very like light. Not that I like it very thick, in between there. I like it to have some kind of texture. So that's my preference. So when you're making your green plantain fufu with the peel, have that at the back of your mind. Now, after blending, I now put it inside my pot. I usually prefer to use my non-stick pot to do this, so that I won't lose any part of my, fufu, okay, to, sticking on the pan or something like that. So you need some kind of fine motor muscle exercise here. So you turn. I like to cook, use a low heat, preferably so that it doesn't get burnt. And that's me here just turning. And of course, when it cooks, you will know it kind of changes from that bright yellow color to kind of a pale, yellow towards to brownish, kind of a thing. Yeah, so it was done, and I kind of put it inside a film wrap. Okay, just not for it to get dried out. That's just the reason why we're putting in the film wrap like this. And voila, that's it. And once you're ready to eat your green plantain fufu together with a peel, use your favorite soup, and that is it. You can go with stew, soup, whatever you like. At this point, just do you. Just do you and be you. Tana, that's it. That's my green plantain fufu together with the skin on. Very, very beneficial, gives you healthy gut, very satisfying and smooth bowel movement the following morning. Like you will feel it, that everything just went off after your body has extracted all the benefits that it wanted. So the rest will just exit your body, and that's it. Tana. Easy peasy. That is it. And I'm going to show you how I enjoy it. Like I ate it. Like it is. one of my favorite fufu, because the following morning it just goes away, it just leaves your system, it doesn't sit there and cause you, kind of gaseous or bloating effect or make you feel heavy. No. So that's it, and that's me trying to wrap my fufu, and yeah. So that's it. So let me know if you'll be trying this, and so when next you see your green plantain, stop trashing the peel. The peel is very nutritious, okay? So just use it to make some kind of meal, and that is it. Ta-da! It was so yummy. Trust me. It was super duper yummy. Very, very yummy. Okay, so if you have not subscribed, click that red button that shows subscribe. A bell sign will show. Click on the bell sign, choose the option that shows all. That way you receive all my notifications anytime I post a video. Okay, and eat well, stay well, eat healthy, stay healthy, because we love you from this channel. And let me hear your comments. Let me hear your any question. I'm going to respond. Either I respond directly on the video that you ask the question, or I will make a video to explain, just like I did in this case. Yes, to the person that answered, yes, it is very beneficial. Okay, so I'll see you in another video. Stay blessed. Bye bye.